Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock a credit or debit card of Chase Bank. First, you have to sign into your Chase Bank account. If you don't have any account, then you can sign up for a new account. Now, head to the steps. First, after signing in, choose the account you want to lock or unlock. Secondly, choose the three-dot menu you will find at the right corner of your screen. Then under account service, choose lock and unlock your card. Move the toggle switch to change the status of your card. You can do this process by your online account or your mobile banking app. In the mobile banking app view, you will find this toggle switch. Turn it on to lock your card or turn it off to unlock your card. Just you have to choose your card and switch this toggle to locked and unlocked. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question left yet, then you can ask us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, give us a thumbs up, click on this bell icon, and we'll get back to you soon with another tutorial video. Till then, goodbye.